Hello everyone and welcome to today's chemistry class. In today's class, we'll be looking at WAEC chemistry past questions between the year 2008 to 2020 on the topic periodic table. Year 2008, question 37, it says, which of the following statements is not true of halogens? A. They exist in different physical states. B. They exist as diatomic molecules. C. Their ionic radii decreases down the group. And D. Their melting and boiling point increases down the group. Option C is not true and is therefore the correct answer because the ionic radii of halogens actually increases down the group. This is because as you move down the group, the number of energy levels increases, which results in a larger ionic radius. Another question from the year 2012, question 40. It says, the atomic radii of metals are usually A. Greater than their ionic radii, B. Equal to their ionic radii, C. Less than their ionic radii, and D. Less than those of non-metals in the same period. The atomic radii of metals are usually less than their ionic radii. This might seem a bit confusing at first, but it makes sense when you understand what happens during ion formation. Metals, by their chemical nature, tends to lose electrons and form positive ions. When a metal atom loses an electron, it becomes a cation and its size decreases. This decrease in size is because the electron cloud shrinks due to the reduced electron repulsion in the outer shell. As a result, the atomic radii is typically larger than the ionic radius. On the other hand, nonmetals typically gain electrons to form negative ions. When an atom gains extra electron, the increase in the electron-electron repulsion causes the electron cloud to expand, making the ionic radius larger than the atomic radius. So, the atomic radii of metals are usually less than their ionic radii because metals form cations by losing electrons, which cause a decrease in their size.